Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I cover missing persons, unsolved cases, crime news, and more. Well, it looks like the alleged, and I'm only saying that to cover myself because I completely believe it's him, the alleged murderer of sweet little Harmony, her own biological father, or as some of us are just deciding to call him, the sperm donor, he now wants to delay his trial. Now, before I get into that, let me play the piece when he spoke with the judge during the sentencing for his gun charges.
So I understand that I was found guilty by a jury, and I'm not here to dispute that at all. The only consideration that I ask of you this morning is for you not to consider anything as it relates to the case regarding my daughter Harmony. I did not kill my daughter Harmony, and I look forward to my upcoming trial to refute those offensive claims. Probably won't believe me when I tell you that I didn't wake up one morning and choose to become an addict. I don't want to be an addict. And I will spend my time in prison utilizing it to the best of my ability to change things about myself. I could have had a meaningful life, and I blew that opportunity through drugs. But I loved my daughter unconditionally, and I did not kill her. Please don't consider anything that relates to those charges. Only consider the facts to this case.
Yeah, Adam, I don't really care about your boo-hoo-hoo. Oh, I'm such a druggie. I didn't choose any of this life. Oh, I loved my daughter so much. Bull crap. Everything that comes out of your mouth is garbage. And the only good thing that you did was donate to help create this beautiful child who you later murdered. It's unfortunate that she did not get to live a great, beautiful life that she rightly deserved. Of course, WMUR 9, they broke the news today of Adam asking for his trial for the murder of Harmony to be delayed because boo-hoo, he's got issues with his attorneys. So apparently it has to do with an attorney getting another job. So as we know, his current murder trial is set to have jury selection begin on November 21st. So he had a filing put out by his legal team, and it states that he needs a continuance because they need a new co-counsel, and that new co-counsel is going to need time to prepare with Smith and Teardrop due to the current co-counsel has accepted a non-lawyer job, apparently with the state's public defender system. I can't blame her for leaving this case because, yeah, who the heck really wants to defend him? That said, they're asking for his speedy trial right to be waived, and they're wanting an immediate hearing on this matter. So they'll probably grant it, which I hate that there's going to be more delays, but at the same time, that's not going to change anything, but we're just going to have to wait. A lot of these trials have been such a long wait, and it is really hard when we're seeking justice for these, especially for these kids. Harmony being one, and finally we have the Delphi case about to go to trial in January. There's just so many balls up in the air for justice for these poor defenseless children. And yeah, so now I guess we're gonna be playing the hurry up and wait game with Adam, aka Teardrop, And of course, Judge Amy Messer is the one presiding. She presided at his weapons trial. Like I said, he's probably going to get granted it, because if he decides to waive the speedy trial, well, what can she do? What's really, like I said, it just really sucks that we have to wait to start getting justice for this sweet, sweet child. And I don't want to remind you guys about the horrific things that Adam allegedly did to her. That his ex-wife, Kayla Montgomery, who's about as bad as him, as far as I'm concerned, because she did jack crap. But she, of course, got a deal. So, yeah. So I guess we may not see justice for Harmony start until 2024. So, what do you guys think? Do you think that that Judge Messer is going to grant the motion? And how do you feel about having to wait? You know, we're basically at this point, you know, like 2 months away from the jury selection beginning, and now the co-counsel decides, well, I accepted another job and I can't be co-counsel anymore. Granted, it's not her fault. Good for her and whatever she wants to do, but yeah, the timing couldn't be any worse in this case. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. And as soon as they get a hearing on this and we hear about what's going on, I will let you all know. But with that said, that's all I've got for this one. I hope you have a great rest of the day. And most of all, stay safe.